Students at Texas State University showcased their research projects and achievements May 7th during the annual Senior Design Day at the Ingram School of Engineering. They presented 55 team capstone projects to a panel of faculty, students, industry partners, and sponsors. Senior Manufacturing Engineering and Applied Mathematics major Keandre Parker and his team, the Beverage Chiller, created quite the buzz during the event.
So our product is we're trying to take a bottle of wine and we're trying to cool it under 5 minutes.
Currently, similar wine cooling technology uses a gel-like mixture called glycol, which takes hours to chill wine bottles. With a flick of a switch, Beverage Chiller's mission is to design a vapor compression refrigeration system that features a small fan and wine compartment and creates ideal drinking temperatures within minutes. Keandre reflects on how the project came to life and the challenges his sponsor, Boris Jezik, faced when selling condos and serving wine to his clients in Austin.
So he used to have a machine where he would stick like the wine bottle in those like glycol water-based systems, and then he'll stick them in there and cool it, and it takes a while to do through. So he wants to make a little more portable, smaller device that like any household can have. You can just put it on your counter.
Being lightweight and portable, Beverage Chiller is one step closer to plug-and-play performance. As a test platform, the team has another semester to go before presenting the first prototype.
We want to integrate all those components together and actually get some type of functional prototype so that we can start building and trying to find a criteria to make this thing even better so that we can actually get a final product by December, hopefully.
For Keandre and his team, he says presenting a capstone project at Texas State is an exciting opportunity to have hands-on experience.
Impactful for us because a lot of the research that we're utilizing for our test platform actually comes from the Texas State itself. So we use the Ingram Hall makerspace to build our housing. We use the lathe machines to cut our rollers. We bought a few of the products. Texas State offers us so many opportunities to be able to get everything we want without having to come out of pocket for a lot of the pieces. We just want to say thank you, Texas State, for this opportunity. We want to thank our sponsor, Boris Jezik. We're always very grateful for this opportunity to showcase something that we're all very passionate about.
For Texas State University, I'm Manuel Garcia.